Treasury will be forced to refund half the tariffs if Supreme Court rules against Trump, Bessent says. The Treasury Department will be forced to issue tariff-related rebates if the Supreme Court upholds a lower court order that blocked a large portion of the tariffs issued by the Trump administration earlier this year. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said on Sept 7, "We would have to give a refund on about half the tariffs, which would be terrible for the Treasury." Bessent told NBC News, "Meet the press," meaning that it would represent a loss in federal revenue. "If the court says it, we did have to do it," he said, nothing that the Trump administration is confident that it will be the case before the Supreme Court. Bessent said that there could be other avenues to imposing tariffs if the Supreme Court rules against those duties, although he did not give details about what they are. However, he said those maneuvers would diminish the authority of the Trump administration. Another White House official, National Economics Council Director Kevin Husser, told CBS News Face the Nation that there are other legal ways to implement the duties, including Section 232 tariffs that allow the president to impose restrictions on imports into the United States or force other countries into negotiations following an investigation. In a 7-4 ruling in late August, the U.S. Court of Appeal for the Federal Circuit said most of President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs, which he had imposed in April, are illegal. The majority found that the president overstepped his authority under a 1977 law called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act.